Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to create in Excel drop-down list so you can easily do data entry without typing and then you can actually validate it. First of all, I'm going to show you with Microsoft example here, show you how to do it. So let's start it and then I show you the actual example that I'm going to be showing you. Let's start it.
Data entry is quicker and more accurate when you use a drop-down list to limit the entries people can make in a cell. When you select a cell, the drop-down list down arrow appears. Click it and make a selection. Here's how to create drop-down lists. Select the cells that you want to contain the lists. On the ribbon, click the Data tab and click Data Validation. In the dialog, set Allow to List. Click in Source. In this example, we're using a comma-delimited list. The text or numbers we type in the source field are separated by commas. And click OK. The cells now have drop-down lists. Up next, drop-down list settings.
All right, so that's the quick example. Let me show you the actual spreadsheet I'm going to be working on. Basically, did this for iPhone, whatever sheet here that I'm keeping track. Let's say I'm going to be putting, let's say, XR iPhone 8 here. Let's see, I'm going to be putting a condition drop down list here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to, let me actually move this a little bit, sorry. So I'm gonna be actually put a drop down list on these two cells here. You can put more whatever here, but I'm gonna just showing you two cells here, and then you're gonna go to data. Okay, then data validation right here. Click on data validation, and here allow, you're gonna click on list, and you're gonna put values here delimited or separated by comma. So I'm gonna say iPhone can have a new condition, used condition, or maybe simply part only, meaning it's so bad that you cannot use it. And then click OK. And now you can see you have a drop down box over here. So let's say this one gonna be used, this one gonna be new. So there you have it, how to create a drop down list to make it easier for your data entry. Hope it is helpful if you're an Excel user, and we'll see you folks on the next video. And please smash the like button if you find this helpful. We'll see you later then. Bye for now.